I'm Sue Roberts, head teacher here at Ysgol Ffordd Dyffryn in Llandudno. My staff and I have been very busy preparing our school ready to welcome back many of our learners on June the 29th. We're looking forward to checking in, catching up and preparing our learners for summer and September. We will have 3 groups of learners: teulu'r Hael, teulu'r Lleuad, teulu'r Ser, and we have ensured that siblings are in the same teulu and that they will attend on the same day.
Hi, I'm Lucy Catherall, Deputy Head. This is an example of one of the classrooms we have prepared ready for June the 29th. As you can see, the tables have been moved to ensure there is a 2-metre gap between learners. Each learner will sit at the same desk every time they are in, and they will have a space for their water bottle, their lunchbox and their learning pack, which will include all of the resources they need for their school day.